morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be a high of 86 and a low of 70, with a mix of clouds and sunshine. It will also be a beautiful week.
Now for the joke of the day. Joseph, why are ghosts such bad liars?
I don't know.
Because you could easily see through them.
Today is National Eat a Hoagie Day. This popular sandwich has many names: grinder, sub, hero, po' boy, torpedo, or an Italian sandwich.
Today in history,
in 1814, Francis Scott Key writes the words to the Star-Spangled Banner as he awaits aboard a British launch in Chesapeake Bay for the outcome of the British assault on Fort Henry during the War of 1812.
Remember, Falcons soar, which means show integrity,
own my learning,
attitude matters,
and respect self and others.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Joseph.
And I'm Carter.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons.
Bump, ba-dum, bump, 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 bump. See you next time.